Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin inside Android settings, open System or General Management, and tap Language and Input. Once there, select the keyboard app you actually use, Gboard, Samsung Keyboard, or Swift Key, because each app exposes resize controls in different places. Make sure the keyboard is active and has necessary permissions so settings apply. Now, open the chosen keyboard settings page and look for Layout or Preferences. That's where you'll take the first actionable step to change height and layout. You're now adjusting the size. Go to Preferences or Layout and find Keyboard Height or Resize. Some apps provide a slider. Others offer presets like Small, Normal, or Tall. Choose one and watch the live preview. If the keyboard supports drag handles, press the top edge and drag to resize manually. If not, use percentage or preset options. Make deliberate small changes, then test typing so you can judge reachability and accuracy. Once comfortable, proceed to save or apply the adjustments. Finish by applying your changes and then open a messaging app to test typing speed, visibility, and thumb reach. If keys overlap or the layout looks wrong, try clearing the keyboard app cache or force stop and restart the app. That often resolves display glitches. Make sure to re-enter settings if you need finer tweaks, adjust rows, thumb mode, or key size, and test again. If problems persist, temporarily switch to another keyboard app to isolate whether it's an app bug versus a system setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.